Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. What is IaaS? It's one of the most flexible cloud service. It provides the maximum control over cloud resources. And if we talk about the responsibilities of a cloud provider, it means Microsoft Azure. Then they provide the network connectivity, they provide the physical security, and they also maintain the hardware. Now, what is your responsibilities? Okay, when we talk about your responsibilities, it comes the OS installation, okay, the configuration, maintenance, network and database configuration, storage setup, and management. These are the some of the example which comes under your responsibilities. And when we talk about the shared responsibility model, the cloud provider handles the physical infrastructure and internet connectivity, whereas our responsibility is for the installing of the server, configuration, patching, updates, and all those security. We don't have to maintain all those, hardware, all those network connectivity, and even the physical security. We don't have to maintain that. On our behalf, Microsoft Azure is already maintaining those things. Okay. Now let's talk about the scenarios for IaaS. When we talk about, there is two things, lift and shift migration. Now what is that lift and shift migration? So it's nothing but you have the on-prem infrastructure, right? And you want to move on the cloud. So this term we call lift and shift migration. So moving existing on-prem resources to the cloud with minimal changes. This is what we call lift and shift migration. Second, testing and development. So it quickly replicate and manage environments for development and testing purpose. So with the help of cloud, it is no more taking a lot of time when we were talking about in the past, like infrastructure, uh, in which we have to install the server, taking the machines, maintaining the hardware, checking the network connectivity. All those things we don't have to do. All those things will be done by the Microsoft Azure.